lines going that we're trolling?
The ones on that side are pretty much on the surface.
About how far? How deep?
Almost on the surface. The ones on the outrigger.
Yeah.
And these ones are pretty weighted, so they're down.
So they're down quite a way. What do you think?
40 feet.
40 feet? Oh wow, really?
30 feet maybe.
So how deep are we right now?
When I was up there, it was about 180.
180.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Come on! Woohoo! Come on, that's what I'm talking about. Bring it in, baby. Come on, gotta reel it, gotta reel it. Real, real, real.
Let's go! It's a race!
Come on, come on. Bring it up, bring it up. Feel the burn. Come on, baby.
Did you lose it? Did it get off?
Yeah. What happened? You gotta keep on going. You gotta keep on going. Keep on going. Don't let it go. Don't let it up, baby. You want to fish? You got some fish in here. Come on. Come on. You done?
Over. No, another one. There you go. What the hell?
Little cross across.
It's still crossed. Yeah, there you go. You got it.
There we go. We're free.
There you go, Will. Come on.
Crisscross applesauce.
Woo!
Yeah, it's crossed, but he's underneath it. He's far enough. Yeah, he's far enough underneath it. We're good. Yeah, he can run to the rim. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh! Bring it. Yeah, baby! Let's go, baby!
You can crank this crank.
It's surface! Woo! Let's go, baby!
I see it. Oh, that's a big one, baby.
Yeah, you put the game on your inside.
Look at that bad boy right there. There it is, right there. Watch out, baby.
Got her hook!
He's favoring that side.
There it is, right there.
Mad for some reason.
Oh, she ran. Woo!
Tired.
Earned that one off.